Hello everyone, welcome to Groweon CRM. Let me introduce you to the bulk dialer module in Groweon CRM, your powerhouse for seamless outbound calling. In the left navigation under the lead section, you'll find a tab named Auto Dialer. Go ahead and click on Auto Dialer. This will take you to the Auto Dialer screen where both options are available. If you have IVR or C2C campaigns integrated, you can use the Auto Assign Campaign Dialer or choose the Manual Assign Campaign Dialer. When you need to reach out to a large list of leads or clients quickly, our Manual Bulk Dialer allows your team to call a batch of contacts one after the other without needing to switch screens or search manually. Let's see how this functionality works. I'll click on Add Manual Assign Dialer. Enter a campaign name, set the call waiting time in seconds, then save and continue. There will be a preset format. You can download the CSV and upload your data in that format. Just click on Upload CSV. There's an option available for that. Once you click, you can upload the data. The CSV uploads easily. See? Your campaign is all set. If you click on the campaign name, you'll find all the details available, including mobile numbers, contact persons, call attempts, and call durations. You can even dial directly from here. If the mobile app is open on the phone, just click on Start Campaign and the call will start connecting through the mobile app. After a chat with the prospect, there are dispositions that can be set from the settings section. For instance, I'm selecting Disposition 1 Test. If you feel this prospect could become a lead, there is an option to create a lead right from here. Simply enter the next follow-up date and the lead will appear on the lead board. If not, just dispose of the call. After 1 second, since we have set a 1 second interval, a new call will be initiated and land on the mobile phone. Once you've completed these calls, you can easily resume the campaign. In the test detail, you'll see one call is disposed and one is pending because I didn't attempt the second call or set dispositions for it. This is for the manual dialer. If you have an IVR-enabled bulk dialer, this tab will be useful. It will directly connect to the next buyer as soon the first call completed. For high volume or campaign-based outreach, you can use our IVR-enabled bulk dialer as well. Whether manual or automated, Groweon CRM helps you connect faster, smarter, and at scale. Try the bulk dialer module and transform how your team communicates. For more detailed videos on the features, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.